The sound of a cicada. Loud, persistent, and impossible to ignore. A creature of precision and timing, thriving despite the odds. Much like the cicada, pest managers stand out. Loud in impact, resilient in service, and precise in execution in the Philippines.
The mission of Pest Managers Association of the Philippines Incorporated aims to safely protect the general public by promoting standard, professionalism, ethics, and welfare of pest control industry. The vision is to be recognized by the public in urban, livestock, and poultry industry as the premier resource for supporting the pest management profession.
We are the voice of association.
Join the movement. Stand with the best in pest management.